morning, students. Uh, in your triangles and their properties in this chapter, today we are going to study here in this practice set 36, fourth one question. See in your textbook page number 80, fourth one question. Already we have completed this in this practice set 36, 3 questions. Then today you see here fourth one question. The lengths of the sides of the some triangles are given below. Say what type of triangles they are. First one, see here 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Here sides are given below. Then here 3 sides are different. 3 sides are different. Therefore the triangle is a scalene triangle. Here write you. Below answer write 3 sides different. Therefore the triangle is a which triangle? Scalene triangle. Second one, 3.4 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. See here two sides are equal, 3.4 centimeter and 3.4 centimeter. You write here answer. Here two sides are equal, therefore the triangle is a isosceles triangle. Third one, see 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter. See here, all sides are equal. Here 3 sides given and 3 sides are equal. Therefore, this triangle is a equilateral triangle. Then fourth one, 3.7 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. See here, which triangle here? Here all 3 sides are different. Therefore the triangle is a scalene triangle. Then see this fifth one question. You write in homework these answers. Fifth one question. The lengths of the 3 segments are given for constructing a triangle. Say whether a triangle with 3 sides can be drawn or not. Give the reason for your answer. Fifth one, lengths of these 3 segments are given here and you say here the triangle with 3 sides can be drawn or not. First one, in this fifth one question, first example, see here 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. What is the property of this triangle? The sum of the lengths of the any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of this third side. Firstly, you write here the length of this longest side. Longest side here 17 centimeter. Longest side here 17 centimeter. The sum of lengths of other two sides. Which two sides? 7 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeter. Then you write here 15 centimeter and here 17 centimeter, which is greater here 17 centimeter. By the property of these lengths of a sides of a triangle, this triangle cannot be drawn because these lengths of the sum of the 2 sides is here smaller than this length of this third side. You write here by the property of property of sides of the triangle, sides of the triangle, sides of a triangle this triangle cannot be drawn. This triangle cannot be drawn. Second one. 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter. See, first one you write here the length of longest side. The length of longest side here. Longest side, which side here? 25 centimeter. In these three sides here, length of the three sides given. Then in these three sides, the length of this longest side is 25 centimeter. The sum of lengths of other two sides, which two sides? 7 centimeter plus 24 centimeter. Then answer is here 31 centimeter. Then you write here 31 centimeter greater than this 25 centimeter by the property of this triangle. By the property of sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle. This triangle can be drawn here because the length of the two sides here, sum of the lengths of the two sides is greater than this third side. Therefore, this triangle can be drawn. This triangle can be drawn. Third one, 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 16 centimeter. Centimeter, 6 centimeter and 16 centimeter. You write here the length of the longest side. The length of longest side 16 centimeter. The sum of lengths of other two sides. Which two sides? 9 centimeter plus 6 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeter. Then here 15 centimeter and this biggest 16, which is greater here 16 centimeter. This triangle cannot be drawn. You write here by the property of side of the triangle. This triangle cannot be drawn. In this practice set 36, in this fifth one questions, again some examples remain. 4, 5, 6 remaining part tomorrow. Okay.